Hi, I'm Michael Josh. You're watching Gadget Match, and this is a video we haven't done in a while. Look what I have here. I don't know what's inside this bag. It's a package from Razer, but it's the perfect excuse to do a mystery unboxing. It's a pretty big box, so let's get it out of its packaging. As you can see over here, it has the Razer logo up front, and basically it's just a big black box. Okay, so let's open up the box. You'll see it first before me. 1, 2, 3, ta-da! Whoa, what's going on here? Freedom to move, power to conquer. We have a little wire cutter over here and their instructions. So the instructions are, step 1, remove the power cutter above. Number 2, cut troublesome wires. And number 3, experience wireless freedom. I wonder what's inside, but it's pretty cool because you have this cutter in Razer green. They even have the Razer logo. Okay, so let's pull out this cutter over here. I can follow instructions, and I'm going to flip the box around sideways. You can see it from the side. Snip, snip. Let's get some cutting done. I don't think I've ever had to work this hard for an unboxing before, but props to the Razer team for such a creative unboxing experience. Almost done. Almost there. And last but not the least, that was exhausting. I guess we can pull these wires aside now. And now we can lift up this thing over here and finally find out what's inside this mystery box. 1, 2. Ooh, what do we have here? I can see the product name, so let's go ahead and focus on that. We have the Razer Thresher, which appears to be headphones, and the Razer Raiju Ultimate, which I know is a PS4 controller made specifically by Razer. Actually, this is the one I want to see, so let's go ahead and open it up and take it out of the box. Very nice. This controller has full controls, as you can see over here, and I believe some of these are replaceable as well. You can pull them out, and I believe they also shipped it with additional thumb pads over here, so you have the option to kind of switcheroo. The controller comes with a Razer branded carrying case, which is uber cool. Nice. So I guess it goes like this. Controller goes in here like so, and then the extra replaceable pads go in here. I believe there's one more in here. If I can get it out.
5 minutes later.
And it goes in like that, and then zip it close like that. Let's move on to the Thresher, which are awesome Bluetooth headphones. Oh, look at that. Let's try them on. How do I look? They look cool, and if you're a gamer, these are definitely ones you should check out. Very nice. And then one more. We're not done yet, just one little tiny accessory. These are Bluetooth headphones, so you have this Bluetooth dongle over here for connecting to your PC. And nothing else inside. We want to thank our friends at Razer for sending out this awesome package and for taking the time to think of something creative to show off all these stuff in. For more information on all these products, we'll be doing a hands-on feature on GadgetMatch.com. And that was another mystery unboxing. If you'd like to see more of videos like this one, let us know in the comments section below. I know we haven't done one in a while. As always, subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on notifications so that you get notified as soon as we post a new video. Follow us on social media for all the behind the scenes fun stuff. And as always, make sure GadgetMatch.com is your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.